out is an important thing because honestly it's just a great community thing, and it's important to see yourself in the music that you love and the music that represents you, you know what I'm saying? So like without movements like this, it's hard to inspire the next generation of artists that are willing to pick up guitars, because you really got to see it in order to kind of believe it. It's harder if you're doing it by yourself, you know what I'm saying?
So it's really important for us to be here, to be seen and heard, and to represent for the community that is also here, but is often underrepresented. So yeah, it's really important. 1, 2,
3. Really started in the same ethos of why we started Black and Loud Fest, was trying to show people that, like, listen, black people and people of color, like, we are not a monolith. We really do this. And not only do we do this, but we invented these genres. I didn't see a lot of people that looked like me making the kind of music that I liked. But as I did more research and I saw that there were more pioneers that actually did this with my skin tone, I said, well, if it's not there in the folks that I'm able to see in my space around me, let's make it happen.
Portland deserves to have this, and this is going to be an event where every diaspora of blackness is loved and celebrated in all of its weirdness. For every artist that's doing rock tonight or alternative jazz or anything like that, it's really cool to get to decide your type of music and not be anything else.
The body touching your lips. The body touching your lips.
You know, we don't just talk about it, we're gonna be about it. And we spoke this into existence, and the universe happened. Jack Daniels said, hey, come on. Their support means so much to help amplify that voice.
Yeah.
You know, and it's so important that we have these sponsors be able to do this for us and to help us get to the next level. And now we're about to go national, baby. Let's go.
It's gonna be crazy. I mean, come on, man. Like with Black and Loud, man, you got an incredible group of, you know, rockers and MCs, man. Like, this is something that is necessary. It really is necessary. But if you really want to see that spit and you really want to see that action, come see the Cypher, man. Come see what the MCs got, because we got something to offer.
We are here because we are honoring all black artists who are playing something different, who are doing something important. I'm so happy as the senior producer for this festival to be here to celebrate all these artists, and we have no issue with ageism. We have artists in the 50s, 60s, and 70s, and artists that are just 25 years old who are inspired by these goats. We have Angelo Moore, the first Fishbone Soldier, and we have Greg Wright, who has played with Michael Jackson, and we have King Youngblood, and OBGMs, and Down North, and Tara Nobody. And OBGMs just came in from Toronto, so this is really cool. And I'm here with my husband.
That's right.
See you at this night.
Yeah, I was just saying, I think this is fantastic. Today, at least the first set was definitely a success. The place looked great. I mean, you walk in upstairs and like, wow, unbelievable. This is good job.
I think it's going to be the new reincarnation of the Warped Tour and Afropunk combined, as a black musician playing rock and roll along with a lot of other genres. But rock and roll is usually considered a white genre of music, right? So we have to be loud about it and tell people that it doesn't have to follow the stereotype the media puts out there for people to see and absorb, you know, because there's more than what the media is showing everybody, of course, you know.
Thank you for being here for this celebration of Black Fronted Bands. This shit means the world to me. To see a face, a crowd, with black faces, with brown faces, with white faces, it means the world to me. We love you, Portland. Thank you so much.